Do you want to generate awesome AI images like this, and this? Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you step-by-step tutorial on how to create these images for free using Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Without any further ado, let's begin. Navigate to any browser of your choice on your mobile phone. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using Kiwi browser. As you can see, click on your search bar and search for Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator. Click on the first link that is displayed. Wait for it to load. Now the interface is displayed for us to type in our prompt and also create our image. So very important, ensure that you type in the prompts and the exact image you want, such that you get a very nice image. I have a prompt already typed, so I'm just going to paste it on the address bar here. As you can see, the prompt say, a young black man in his late 20s sits confidently at a modern, clean desk in a sunlit office. He has short, neatly trimmed hair and is dressed in a sharp suit and tie. He leans back slightly in his chair, a thoughtful expression on his face, a lot like that. So then click on Join and Create. Join and Create. It will prompt you to sign in into your account. If you already have a Microsoft account, kindly sign it or you create a new one. But for me, I'll be using my Gmail account to sign in. So, as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. So I have my prompt already. I'll just click on Create. When you log into a new account, you are going to have 15 credits. These 15 points, it's a daily point that gets reactivated every day. So you can use it to create as many images as you can per day. Then click on Create. As you can see, our image is creating. Just be patient. The AI is going to generate the image for us. So as we wait for the image to get generated, you can see the image is now being generated. This is the very awesome and nice images that Bing Image Creator has generated for me. Simply tap on any of the images. It's going to show you the image and the prompt. Click on this 3 dots icon to download your image. As you can see, click on download. And that's it. Your image has been successfully downloaded. Go back to your image. Click on another one. Click on the 3 icon button. Click on download. As you can see, the image has been downloaded. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos like this. Thank you.